What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Patrick here. Moving on to the next question, another linear systems word problem. So you are mixing raisins and nuts to make 15 pounds of a trail mix. Raisins cost $4.25 per pound and nuts cost $6.50 per pound. If the cost of the trail mix is $5.60 per pound, how many pounds of each ingredient is used? So we're obviously trying to find the amount of raisins in pounds and the amount of nuts in pounds being used. So I'm going to let x equal the amount of raisins in pounds, and then I'll let y equal the amount of nuts in pounds. And so with those two new variables, we can create two equations. So notice that the total has to be 15 pounds. So x plus y would be 15. So this equation is for the actual weight. So this is all in terms of pounds. And notice we can make another equation in terms of the dollar amounts, the value. So notice that raisins cost $4.25 per pound. So this here, 4.25 times x, the number of pounds of raisins, would be the total cost of the raisins that's going into the trail mix, plus the total cost of the nuts that are going into the trail mix. And then that here is going to give us the total cost of the trail mix. And what's the total cost of the trail mix? Well, we're told that it costs $5.60 per pound. And we know the trail mix has what? 15 pounds. In it, right? So the total cost of the trail mix is here, and that's going to be composed of the total cost of the raisins going in, total cost of the nuts going into the trail mix. So from here now, we can solve for x and y. So to do that, what I'm going to do is let's isolate for the y. So I'll have y equals 15 minus x, like that. And then over here, we'll have 4.25x plus 6.5. Now for the y, we're going to plug in 15 minus x like that. And then 560 times 15, that would give us 84. Right? And so now we have an equation, and we just have to solve for the one variable. So we'll have 4.25x plus 6.5 times 15, that's going to give us what? 97.5. And we'll have minus 6.5x equals 84. And so from here, what I'm going to do, I'll bring the 84 over. So we'll have 97.5 minus 84. And then I'll bring these two over, the expressions that have an x attached to it. So we'll have 6.5x minus 4.25x, like that. So that would give us 2.25x. And then over here, this would be 13.5. And then dividing by 2.25, x would end up being 6. Right? So 6 pounds of raisins are being used. And then to get the y value, we just simply plug it in there. 15 minus 6 would give us 9. So 9 pounds of nuts are being used. And then you could check these. Notice 6 plus 9 does give us 15. And then if you plug in these two values here, you should get that value of 84. So you could always go and check your answer. All right, so that's the final answer. 6 pounds of raisins in the trail mix, 9 pounds of nuts in the trail mix.